In this video, I will show you how to share Crunchyroll account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on the Crunchyroll app. Now to do this, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the account icon just down here. Then what you need to do is scroll down slightly until you see the option for membership and then press onto subscription. Now to go ahead and share your Crunchyroll account, there's some different subscriptions that you can purchase. So you want to press on to go premium. And the one you need to purchase is the Mega Fan subscription. So there's an option for a monthly payment or an annual payment. However, with the Mega Fan subscription, as you can see, you are able to stream on 4 devices. For just the normal fan payment, you can only stream on 1 device. So you want to make sure that when you do this, you select Mega Fan so you can stream on 4 devices and effectively share your Crunchyroll account. So that is how to share Crunchyroll account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.